Alright guys, here's your multiplication division fact table. There's a total of 100 products that you need to know. These are all your products right here. On the left you have your factors, and up top you have your factors. Basically, factor times factor equals product. So 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. So if you notice, this line of symmetry right here, if you were to fold this square on this line of symmetry, you only need to know half of these. So these half right here are exactly the same as these half right here. Alright, so if we think about it that way, so guys, looking at all these, since these are duplicates of these, this is a total of 45 facts that you don't need to know, because if you know it on this side, you're gonna know it down here. So let's take 45 from 100 and you get a total of 55. So now you're down to 55 facts that you need to know. Alright, let's see, what do you know as of right now? Well, we definitely know our ones. 1 times anything is going to be that number. So 1 times 6 is 6, 1 times 7 is 7. So that takes 10 more ways. So now you're down to 45. Alright, and if you know your ones, you definitely know your tens. Alright, let's cross all those out. So that's 9 more taken away from there. So now we're down to 34 total facts that you need to know. That would actually be 36. I'm learning how to subtract. Alright, so we're down to 36 facts that you need to know right now. Alright, another one that you definitely know are your twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Alright, so let's go ahead and cross these out. That's 8 more that you know. So now you're down to 28 total facts. Everybody knows their fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So let's go ahead and cross out our fives. That's 3 more right there. And then 4, 5, 6, 7 more that we've taken away. So now we're down to 21 facts that you need to be responsible for. Next, we're going to go ahead and cross out our nines. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. So take away from there. Now we're down to 15. Alright, let me show you the tricks for your nines. Alright guys, here's your nines tricks. Point to the number that is not 9. Subtract 1 from that number. So 5 minus 1 gives me 4. This is the first digit of your answer, your tens place. Now say to yourself, what plus 4 will give me 9? That would be 5. So 5 plus 4 is 9. So the product of 9 times 5 is 45. Let's look at a few other examples. We have 9 times 6 equals, so I would say to myself, 6 minus 1 will give me 5. That's in my tens place. And then 5 plus what equals 9? 5 plus 4. So 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 plus what gives me 9? 7. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 plus what gives me 9? 2. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 plus what gives me 9? 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Let's look at one last one before we move on. 9 times 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 plus what will give me 9? 3 plus 6. So 9 times 4 is 36. So now guys, all of our black numbers are products that we already know. So if you look at this, here's our line of symmetry now. This green products are square numbers. We'll talk about those in a second. Now remember, these right here are duplicates of these right here. So we can go ahead and cross out these because 4 times 3 is 12. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. So these are duplicates of each other. You get 3 times 6 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18. So if we cross all these out, basically right now you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So here are the 15 facts that you really need to know, and once you know these 15 facts, you're finished. Now you can see I told you about your square numbers, so I've highlighted those in green. Square numbers are basically any number times the exact number will give you 9, which is a square number. 16 is a square number because it's the same factor multiplied by the same factor. 36 is a square number because it's 6 times 6. 49 is a square number, it's 7 times 7. 64 is a square number, it's 8 times 8. Finally, guys, let's learn a few more tricks to knock the last few of these out. For example, 3 times 4 equals 12. What I do there is I do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we look at 56. We look at 7 times 8 is 56. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 times 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Alright, let's cross this one out. And let's cross this one out. So now you're down to 13 facts. Alright, let's check out 8 times 8. I ate and I ate until I got sick on the floor. 64. I ate and I ate until I got 6 on the floor. Sick on the floor. 64. So 8 times 8 is 64. So that knocks out this one. Now guys, you are down to 12 facts. What I need you to do, study these 12 facts and study them nightly until you have them down. And then you're on your way to learning your facts. But I'm telling you right now, this is one of the most important things you can do in school. Learn your multiplication facts. Get them down by the 3rd grade, definitely 4th grade, and it will make your life so much easier. Let me hear everybody say, I will learn my multiplication facts. Good luck, everybody.